Hello friends, it's Marvin Salcedo here with Salcedo Lawn, and I wanted to take a minute and show you something here at one of our clients' houses. If you'll see behind me, look at this line in the grass. That is a visible line of where our client's property has been treated with our treatment program and pre-emergence, but the property next door has not. We've been able to keep our client's yard weed-free through the power of pre-emergence. And that's why I wanted to encourage you, if you have not done it yet, please get your pre-emergence out. Trust me, you will thank me later, because that is going to protect your yard from weeds popping up come springtime and summertime. Getting that pre-emergent out now is going to create a barrier in the ground and help prevent those weeds from popping up later on. If there's any way that we can help you, if you'd like for us to put a quote together, we'd absolutely love to do that. Please just let us know. You can click the link below. It'll send me all the information that you need, or that I need, so that I can help you out with your yard care. And if there's any other way that we can help you, if you have some questions, leave a message below. We'll help you out however we can. Hey, thank y'all so much. Y'all have a wonderful day.